What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an honest review of the 3D Galaxy light. It comes in two pieces just like this, with a small wooden base and an LED in the bottom with a computer chip in there, and it's USB powered. It does not come with a USB block, and so you're going to need one if you want to plug it into a wall. It can plug into a computer or any USB power source. It has a small galaxy etched inside, and so when you set it on the base, it lights it up and it looks really nice. It cycles through different colors and it just looks really cool in the dark. And so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and then we'll see some shots of it lit up at night. The light shines up from the bottom and really brings out all those details of the galaxy cluster, and it actually is made out of a lot more heavy duty material than I expected. I thought it would be more of like a lightweight epoxy kind of material, but it actually is solid glass and it's pretty hefty and durable. And so yeah, it's just a great product. You can see it shining here, and it goes with all the LED lights on my computer and all the LED lights that I've lined my desk with, and it just looks really cool. I have it in my gaming office, and it matches my LED light scheme, and it just looks really cool as it cycles through the colors. If you guys decide to buy it, I hope you enjoy. We like it a lot. It's lasted a long time. And yep, that's the end of this review.